Hi, welcome to how to change a bit on a Festool Domino. So first things you're going to want to do is you're going to take the tool out of this box. Now, first we need to get to this bit right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 8mm wrench that comes with the set. You're going to put it into this release lever, and the head of it should just slide right out, just like that. Now you can't just go and loosen up this bit here because it's a little bit loose, so you got to press this button right here, which will lock the bit, make it not move. And what you're going to do is you're going to loosen it up. Then from there, just come right off. Once you get your bit off, you want to go and come here and get your new bit. And it's just going to screw right on. Once you got it as far as down as you can go, you're going to come down here, you're going to lock it again, and tighten it up. After that, the head should just slide right back on, right through here. Right back on. Once you hear the click, you know it's locked in place. And now we're good to make our cut.
Okay.
So now we're ready to make our cut. I have a board here that's clamped down to the table. What you're going to want to do is you're going to lock that face in place so it's not going to lift up on you. I have it hooked up to the shop vac here so we have no dust. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn on the shop vac, turn on the tool, and there you go. As you can see, we made a nice cut with our nice new bit.